t-shirt here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Javed ji, that you are, one of the, again, the old student of mine. Very बहुत time से आप मेरे साथ हैं, and the way you consistently join every session, you do every session, and that smile itself is enough. That कि I'm fine, I'm good. So अभी आपको बात करना पड़ेगा, right? So please unmute and say something. How about this journey? I know आपने last time also you have won this award, but I want you to just say few words. Yes. Others, I want you to please mute yourself so that we can listen. Just a second, Javed ji. Let me just mute everyone.
मेथी ना बना
One
ये
second.
बना हुआ बनाए ना हो नहीं.
Okay. Now Javed ji. Yes.
मैम एक साल आपके साथ रहते हुए हो गया.
1 year, yes, wonderful.
1 year has passed, and really it was a wonderful journey, man. Wonderful, and we all enjoyed actually, and I am blessed that to always have a good people around me from the birth till date, and I got you as a teacher, and it was wonderful. Only thing is, one thing has taught us that consistently, if you do something, and very simple thing you have taught, it was not a very big thing you were told to do that. And the journey was first thing very good. And we have learned a lot. I am a different person altogether. I told you number of times that
Yes.
40 years back, I could have seen you that my journey would have been entirely different. हम लोग बहुत डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पीपुल हैं. हम लोग मतलब आदमी खत्म काम खत्म वाले आदमी रहे हैं, लेकिन अब गुस्सा ही नहीं आता, अब कुछ भी नहीं आता. नथिंग, ऑलवेज हैप्पी, एंजॉयिंग द लाइफ, नो गुस्सा, एंड एंजॉय. इट इज वेरी हैप्पी लाइफ एक्चुअली मींस होल फैमिली हैज गॉट. हम जब बच्चों को बताते हैं कि हमारे कमरे में कोई घुसने की हिम्मत नहीं करता था, उनको यकीन नहीं होता है कि ऐसा भी होता था कभी.
Great.
And because of small thing, life has changed actually, from the diet, from that yoga, and I enjoyed actually. Best thing, I enjoyed the home meditation actually. It really makes a whole day different actually.
Home meditation.
Home meditation actually.
Wow.
It makes a whole day very comfortable and calm actually.
Great.
So and everything is happy actually, and all the friends are very good there. We all morning we meet every day, and we enjoy the whole 1 hour at least. Or actually, means I searched number of places, and लेकिन आप कितना simple actually, nobody is there actually, man. Nobody teaches so simply as you teach actually, and you are so accessible every time, for every person. That is a different thing actually. Experience is very different actually.
Thank
And
you. Thank you so much.
I'm going to school and studying. That's all. I'm not very consistent person. I attend only for that class. I attend very punctually. That is, I don't miss. Generally, I don't miss.
Yeah, I make you write so many things and all. So it's like a small school here.
Or actually, that हालांकि देखने में लगता है 10 सेंटेंस लिखना बहुत सिंपल चीज है. It is nothing, but actually it changes whole day actually. Next day, we actually feel that what we are doing good and what we are not doing good. That is a whole day it changes. So though these things are very small, but it changes the whole day actually. So that's where the journey was very beautiful. And now I don't measure what is my BP, what is that. It makes me happy. I don't have any problem, and I enjoying that. That is the best.
Wow, great.
No
Thank you so much, Javed ji. Give me one small message to everyone here, because you are the एक साल से आप साथ में हैं, तो एक simple message आप सबके लिए क्या देना चाहेंगे?
Only just consistently do what you tell. That's all. Simple. And
keep it simple.
You don't tell that number of things daily. You just tell, like Helathani, only you tell one thing, do this only, and for a week you do and do. And that makes a whole changes actually. Daily, if live session people attend, it will be over. All the worries will be over.
So attend the sessions live, everyone. Okay.
And plenty of people attending also live. At least my old friends all are attending live.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much, Javed ji, and it's always a pleasure to see you in the session. कि हाँ Javed ji ने join किया है, right? So thank you so much. You have been inspiring. You have been motivating me also. So thank you so much again, and I want every one of you to please unmute and say congratulations, Javed ji.
Congratulations,
Congratulations, Javed.
Congratulations, Javed ji.
Congratulations.
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 Javed.